Amaranth flower. Key features and information. Botanical name. The botanical name for amaranth is Amaranthus. It belongs to the family Amaranthaceae. There are many species of amaranth, such as Amaranthus caudatus, love lies bleeding, Amaranthus tricolor, ornamental amaranth, and Amaranthus cruentus, used for grain and decoration. Habitat. Amaranth is native to the Americas but is now grown globally in warm, temperate and tropical regions. It grows well in sunny, well-drained areas and is commonly found in gardens, fields and roadsides. Some species are cultivated as leafy vegetables, grains or ornamentals. Leaves. A shape and texture. Amaranth leaves are typically broad, oval to lance-shaped, and sometimes have wavy or toothed edges. The color. The leaves can range from green to red, purple or even multicolored, especially in ornamental varieties like Amaranthus tricolor. Edibility. Many amaranth species have edible leaves that are rich in vitamins and minerals. The young leaves are especially tender and used in cooking. Flowers. The structure. The flowers are small and densely packed in large, often drooping or erect spikes or plumes. Colors. Depending on the species, amaranth flowers can be red, pink, green, gold or purple. Amaranthus caudatus, for example, has long, trailing red flower spikes. Blooming time. Amaranth typically blooms in late summer to early autumn. Adaptations. Heat and drought tolerance. Amaranth is well adapted to hot, dry climates and poor soil, making it a resilient plant in arid regions. Fast growth. It grows quickly, producing flowers and seeds in a relatively short growing season. A seed dispersal. The plant produces large numbers of small seeds, helping it spread and reproduce efficiently. Cultural symbolism. Immortality and unfading love. In Greek, amaranth means unfading, symbolizing immortality. Ancient Greeks used amaranth as a symbol of eternal life and love. Is sacred in indigenous cultures. Amaranth was a staple crop for the Aztecs and is still revered in various South American and Central American traditions. Its spiritual significance. In India, amaranth, known as Rajaira, is used in religious fasting dishes and symbolizes purity and devotion. Uses. 1. Edible uses. Leaves. Eaten as leafy greens in many cuisines, cooked like spinach or used in soups and stir-fries. Seeds. The seeds are high in protein, gluten-free and used as a pseudo-cereal. They can be popped, ground into flour or cooked as porridge. Nutrition. Amaranth is rich in calcium, iron, magnesium and lysine, an essential amino acid often lacking in grains. 2. Ornamental use. Ornamental amaranth varieties like love lies bleeding are grown for their dramatic cascading flower spikes. These plants add vibrant color and texture to flower beds and dried floral arrangements. 3. Medicinal use. Traditionally used for its diuretic, anti-inflammatory and wound-healing properties. Amaranth has been used to help treat ulcers, diarrhea and high cholesterol, though more clinical research is needed. 4. Agricultural use. Cover crop. Helps improve soil fertility and prevent erosion. Livestock feed. Both seeds and foliage can be used as nutritious animal feed. Ecological importance. Pollinator attraction. Its flowers attract bees and other beneficial insects. Is soil improvement. Its deep roots help break up compacted soil and improve soil health over time. Care and maintenance. Planting. Sow seeds directly into the soil after the last frost. Prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Watering. Drought-tolerant once established but grows best with regular watering. Fertilizing. Generally not needed in rich soil. Over-fertilization can reduce flowering. Pruning. Remove spent flower spikes to encourage more blooms or seed collection. Invasive nature. Some wild amaranth species, Amaranthus retroflexus for example, are considered invasive weeds in agricultural settings, where they compete with crops. However, cultivated varieties are typically well managed in garden environments. Conclusion. Amaranth is a beautiful and versatile plant valued for its nutritional, ornamental, and cultural significance. Whether grown for food, decoration, or its resilient nature, amaranth remains a cherished plant in gardens and farms around the world.